Oh.
Hey, hey.
I thought that was a picture, so I said cheese sucker.
Thought that was a picture, so I said, cheese suckers.
Look at this. Cheese suckers.
Keith.
Fat boy.
No. KJ.
KJ.
Yeah, KJ. We got the four-wheeler loaded up on the back. Getting ready to go hit the trail. Test out these new shocks, new sprocket. Build some more trails. Sound good?
Yep.
Ready to rock and roll?
Sure.
All right, let's go. Here, KJ's getting ready. Rock and roll. Oh, we got to turn the gas on for you. I always keep the gas off when we're not riding. There we go.
Let it warm up. I gotta let it warm up.
There we go. All right, dude. Head on back and hit the trail. I'm gonna grab some tools. I'm gonna grab some tools and orange tape, and I'll meet you down there. And he's off. Oh, way more acceleration. Oh yeah. Let's go down and watch him. All right, here he comes around. Do a drift right here. Gotta lean, remember. Oh yeah, way more acceleration. It's actually spinning the tires a little bit now. You can see his marks where it didn't do that before. You have to really get moving before it would do it. I could do it on mine with my weight, and I could use my body weight, but he wasn't heavy enough, so it's only 50 pounds. Way more acceleration. Looks good. How does it ride? Is it better on the bumps? It's a jump, yeah. Oh yeah, that's about half throttle. It'll go way faster than that too. Anyway, we've got this massive track. This is just one of the squares we have here. It goes around, and there's another trail that goes this way. We've got it marked with orange tape and goes all the way back there. Loops back that way. Goes all the way back to where we parked the truck. We have a little landing up there. Oh yeah! Getting a little cocky on it. He'll wreck sooner or later. Anyway, we're going to make another trail this way. Head back to a big area we have over there. But we got to weed our way through this brush and stuff, so we'll get there eventually. I'm going to work back this way. It gets really thick back there. So thick I can't walk. So, what do you think? You're good at it, huh? Well, just be careful. Remember what I told you. If it don't feel right, just stop, okay? Anyway, it's super brushy and thick and grown up back there. All this is grown up. This used to be a peach farm. We're going to go that way. We're going to go this way. But, you know, here we have kind of a path. You can see all the deer tracks and stuff in here. Deer poop everywhere. So we'll start with this one and work our way back and see if we can't get over there that clearing I want to find. All right, he's coming on through here now. What we found out is with the new suspension, it soaks up the bumps rather than rebounding off of them. He used to hit bumps and it would immediately shock the front end and kind of bounce it. But you can actually see it flexing and stuff when he drives through the trail now. So he's rode for quite a while and we've tore the trails up pretty good here. He's been drifting and doing all kind of fun stuff. And now we're cutting new trails in. You see behind me. So we'll keep building more. Keep riding. Here he comes. Ha! Drifting. Alright, so KJ rode the crap out of that four-wheeler. Didn't you, bud? You tired? A little bit? What about your hand? A little bit tired? Yeah. We got some sweet videos we're going to put up. He did some drifts. He did a sweet jump. I got it in slow motion. Super awesome video of it. We'll put all of them up on YouTube. Did an awesome job riding. The shocks are amazing. Would highly recommend them for everybody. The 12-tooth sprocket from the 13-tooth sprocket so much more wheel spin. It takes away from the high speedness, the top speed. So you're going to lose 4 or 5 miles an hour on the top speed, but the wheel speed that you get, the spin and the lack of bogging is so much better. He can ride it so much better now. So I'd recommend that for everyone. Anyway, we'll get this shot up on YouTube. Somebody's watching his videos. We'll get this up on YouTube. Here's some stuff to watch. He's watching himself watch you. Yeah, whatever. All right, so we'll get him up. Till next time, guys. Peace.